Well, a Delaware landmark will close its doors at the end of April, with the man at the head of it taking a step into retirement.
Ralph Martin is one of the last remaining shoe cobblers in the city. NBC4's Tyler Carter is in Delaware tonight, where this hometown legend is saying goodbye to a job that he's worked for decades.
Ralph Martin has been a pillar in this community for over 50 years. The soul of downtown Delaware is hanging up his boots one last time. 88-year-old Ralph Martin spends most of his day sitting on his orange couch in his shoe repair shop, reminiscing over the good old days. A picture of him holding a huge walleye from Lake Erie hangs above him. Wooden shoe inserts hang on the walls, while the smell of leather lingers throughout the shop. You see, Martin has the oldest shop on Winter Street and the last of a shoe repair store in town. He says he even tried his hand at making shoes.
And I just made a pair or two.
But he says that took too long.
I didn't intend on making shoes. I intended on repairing shoes.
Martin, who's been a cobbler since the age of 16, opened his shop in 1959, in the era where most shoes were U.S. made with rubber soles and nailed-on heels.
What they call rib nails.
Repairing a pair of boots with a worn-out heel, insisting they need a craftsman eye. Martin may have slowed down after having a stroke 3 years ago, but he hasn't missed a beat when it comes to repair.
Now I'm doing it all.
Martin has dozens of shoes customers didn't bother to pick up over the years laying around the shop. He says he would like to get them back to their rightful owners. With only 4 days left until he closes for good, customers are coming in requesting repairs.
I tell them, hey, I'm done. I'm done.
If you're looking for Martin and those wingtips you dropped off a couple years ago, you better hurry because he's closing April 30th. Local for you from downtown Delaware, Tyler Carter, NBC4.